Hello, Joey. That was a pencil. Yes, yes it was. Let's meet my friend. I just noticed I can pause this. Teleport! I am the person in Heroes. Yes, I did just pause, but then you're supposed to think I teleported. Oh, where am I now, huh? I'm on top of Mount Everest. No, I'm not. I'm on spinning on a chair. Ha 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 ha. Got it. Ha. Did I repause it? No. Yes, I did. Okay. I just walked here. Teleport. Hello. Yeah. Chin. That concludes today's episode.